What are you eating? Grapes? Grapes? Can I wash your face? Let me wash this skunkies off your face. Hey, let's not call that skunky. Okay. Crusty. What's the crusty though? What? You can have more if you let me wash your face. Come here, let me wash your crusties. Let me wash the crusties off your face. Crusty. Brother? I washed your crusties. Max. You don't have any more. Max goes crusties. Tell Max. Say, Max, wash your crusties. Let me wash the crusties that are from Passy. Passy makes you have crusties on your face. Never done point.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Can you say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
You wave bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.